This month I'm going to talk briefly about selecting the right people to work in service roles, particularly on help desks, but also with some information on other process-based roles. There's a fact sheet also available if you register with our website. We are now at last, it seems, talking and focusing on the key issue for IT service management. In other words, people. Getting the right people with the right skills and attributes doing the right things is still the biggest issue faced by most IT service management initiatives. So how do we find and keep the right people? Firstly, we should be clear on what the roles are that we're hiring for, and at the same time try to identify the kind of skills and personal qualities needed to deliver this in the most optimum way. We should have a model set of experience, skills and personal qualities that we define clearly before we ever start looking for staff. It's not rocket science to see that a service desk analyst should be a multitasker, a people-focused person, interested in getting resolutions delivered quickly and being able to deliver this with a positive customer experience. From a hiring perspective, I always looked at what sort of even temporary jobs that applicants had done in the past. Working in a bar or restaurant involves customer service and interaction. Did they enjoy that or not? Or did they prefer to work in the summer holidays counting traffic at junctions? It's also a useful tip to do telephone interviews and also review how well people interact with other, for example, administrative staff when they are on site for an interview. For me, the most important IT service management role is the service desk manager. This requires so many different skills and areas of knowledge, plus personal capability. They need to be a marketeer, a salesperson, a good people manager, a metrics guru, IT service management and process wizard with good technical focus and absolutely fantastic communications and influencing skills. It's very difficult or very expensive to find people with all of these skills, and often you need to compromise on some of those talents. Ideally, they should understand how an IT help desk and IT service management works, although this can be learned. Ideally, I would suggest that the personal skills are most important, but it can be difficult for this person to really succeed without that knowledge. A list of ITSM jobs and suggestions on key characteristics is available from our site. These include analogies for each, so the incident manager is the firefighter, the problem manager is the CSI guy, and the change manager is the nightclub doorman. However, whatever tools you use to identify and find the right people, be sure that you're looking for people and their skills, and not simply pieces of paper with certificates on them.